There's roughly a handful of things that will trigger your bank investigating you. Number one, the internal monitoring system. At all times, we'll have hundreds algorithms that are checking your bank account activity. And different banks do things differently. Nevertheless, here's an example. If you deposit $9,000 at three different branches on the same day, that's going to be suspicious. It's going to cause an alert. Somebody's going to investigate you. If you are sending money to or from higher risk countries, that's going to cause an alert and somebody's going to look at you. If you are differentiating in your transaction pattern from your peers and you're differentiating from them more than a certain amount, that's going to cause an alert. If you are doing micro structuring of cash deposits, such as $500 every single day, that might cause an alert. Every bank has different algorithms that they are checking all of their clients' accounts for. Let's call that way number one. Way number two, if you are in the branch and you make a comment about, oh, don't tell the IRS about this $10,000 that I'm depositing, or hey, wink, wink, I'm going to wire all this money to my best friend, something like that, and the branch gets suspicious, they're going to report you to the compliance department, and that might trigger an investigation. Number three way that they said that they're going to begin to investigate you is if there's a legal order. So that would be a subpoena, that would be a summons, a search warrant, a national security letter. So if, let's say, the FBI subpoenas your bank records, best believe the bank is going to do their own internal investigation of you. Number four, 314B is an information sharing agreement between banks. So let's say, for instance, I work at Wells Fargo, Citibank sends us a request for your account activity. Best believe that Wells Fargo, even though might not know anything suspicious about this client, nothing about them has alerted. Now that Citibank is requesting them, Wells Fargo is going to do their own internal investigation as well. And number five is 314A. 314A is a law that requires all banks to scrub their clients and their clients' transaction counterparties against a government database every 2 weeks. That's right, every 2 weeks all banks upload a list of their clients and client transaction parties to a government database to make sure that none of their clients appear on this government database. Those are the 5 ways that a bank will be alerted to conduct an investigation of you. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below.